Daddy taking your picture? Are you the most beautiful thing ever in the world?
Okay.
Train.
Joe, what is that?
Cake.
Is it panettone?
Yeah.
From Italy? Do you like it?
Cheesy.
TT? That one's from Yaya.
TT made the tortilla. Did Yaya make the panettone? Yeah.
Take a bite.
What's in the panettone?
Rainbow.
Raisins. And what else? I think there are oranges in there.
Rainbow.
Raisins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are they yummy?
Rainbow. And the cake.
Can you count the raisins?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6?
Yeah.
Very good.
And bake. And bake.
Mmm. Is it good?
Can you say Merry Christmas?